A carton of eggs was at one time an inexpensive addition to the grocery list. Now, many people are struggling to find any left on the shelves as shortages and rising prices are affected by the recent rise in bird flu cases. Our Ken McCoy has more with one local store who has avoided the strain for now.
Empty shelves and high prices. That's the reality many local consumers are facing as egg prices have reached an all-time high. Egg prices are estimated to increase about 20% in 2025, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Price Outlook. Here locally, Food City is one of the lucky stores who hasn't felt the strain of shortage, primarily due to their choice of supplier.
Candidly, the farms we work with at this point have not been largely affected. So shortage is not a word that we would probably say we've had happen to us yet. Could it happen? Yes, it could, but it has not yet. Some of the national brands, Eggland's Best might be a good example of that. There's an incredible demand for their product, given some of the shortages you spoke of. So we're not able on that particular product, as an example, to get all we'd like to have.
A relief for the stores that are facing the shortages could take a few months.
What we're hearing from a lot of the producers is this is likely to continue to be a problem through probably until we get to much warmer weathers after the migratory season for birds actually ends. Birds going from the south to the north, because much of this has been spread historically by migratory birds.
Food City shares they have been having open dialogue with customers that may have concern, but haven't had many comments on the issue. In Huntsville, Ken McCoy, Fox 54 News.
Because of the shortage, Waffle House is now adding a 50-cent surcharge on eggs. Waffle House officials say they will adjust or remove the surcharge as market conditions allow.